আমরা মিলেছি আজ মায়ের ডাকে, মিলেছি আজ মায়ের ডাকে।
Namaskar, my name is Rashu Sharma and I am basically from Meghalaya. I am here today to speak to you all about my journey and my association with Durgotsav GK2. It was 4 years back in the year 2017. I've been hopping from one pandal to another after my work on Saptami night, and that's when I came across this huge magnificent pandal. Everything about it attracted me so much, it was totally awe-striking. Like you would realize in the first go that there is something very attracting, and the aura, the ambience was very blissful and divine. It was so nice that I could see everyone, members of the family, few people from every walks of life, and everyone was there enjoying the moment, doing dhunuchi, aarti. I could see, I was standing there and thinking, like, if I wish I could be a part of Durgotsav. I was not aware because I was very new to Delhi. I had moved in the year 2016 and I was missing home, but the grandeur of Durgotsav GK2 attracted me so much that I couldn't sleep the entire night, and I was thinking throughout that if I could be a part of Pujo, if I could serve Mother Goddess somehow, because on Shondi Pujo, that is on Ashtami, I fast, and I was thinking how could I complete my fast and how could I offer prasad to Ma Durga. So what I did that day was I woke up early. I took I bought some prasad for Ma, and I went straight off to Durgotsav. I saw Samrat standing there, and I went straight up to him and I asked ki dada আমি কি উপরে আসতে পারি, আমি কি মার জন্য একটু প্রসাদ এনেছি আর আমি আজকে উপোস রাখি, can I be a part of your pujo? And the best part was he did not ask me any question, he did not ask me anything, he just asked me my name. What's your name? Would you be able to work? Would you be able to help the mashis and pishis out here? I said, yeah, definitely, just teach me what needs to be done, or just let me know, give me directions. I will definitely do it. I went up, I sat there with the mashi and pishi around. I definitely did not know them. They asked me my name and I started off my work. I started cutting the fruits, and they were so delighted looking at me that a guy doing all this puja work was very very nice about it, because we learn all these things at home during pujo, and I was always a part of any pujo celebration, be it Alpana, in Lokhi Pujo, Kojagori Lokhi Pujo, Saraswati Pujo and stuff. So it was really nice of me and nice of them to have accepted me the way I am and doing work for Ma, seva for Ma, and it was all that went so well. And all I could remember is that I'm working for the Mother Goddess, standing there, and I could serve her homecoming from the Himalayas. I loved everything about it. So that's when I decided, I should get my poite done, because I'm a Brahmin and I didn't have my poite. I was already 26-27 years old. Since I was in a convent school and we did not have much holidays and stuff like that, our parents couldn't decide, and there were a lot of things that had happened, which is why I didn't have my poite done. So the next year, 2018, I went back home in the month of February, and I got my poite done. My ma was very happy, my baba was very happy that pujo brought in a lot of change in me. I started believing that everything happens for a good reason, and that there must be some magic, and there must be something that I believed in, that I could connect to Ma so well. And since then, it's been 4 years, and I'm really proud and really happy that I have been a part of Durgotsav GK2. And you can be anywhere, but you would not want to miss Durgotsav GK2, no matter what. Cutting fruits, serving the plates, arranging the plates, serving food for her, which goes in as naivedyas, and I have been doing that since the past 3 years, and it's absolute delight. You would feel so happy about it that everything that you do, all the seva is for her, and she with her open hands accepts it. There is nothing that she wouldn't accept from, you know, the devotees. And I love absolutely everything about Pujo, the grandeur, the celebration, the customs, the rituals, everything. And that's it, how I got attached and how I got connected to Durgotsav GK2. That's it. But yeah, this year, you know, I know that this pandemic has caused us unprecedented times, and we are not in a very good state wherein, you know, we can gather together, have some addas and have some talks and chill in the evenings till morning, chit chat, gossip and a lot of things. We are not able to do that because of the situation and the circumstance. So what we have planned and what we are doing this year is we are live streaming our pujo from every ritual, from every you know, aspect of the pujo, from day one till the day we, you know, bid our mother adieu. And that's the whole thing about it. I would love to welcome you all to our pujo, and I would definitely want you all to view our pujo in the live stream, and we would be very glad and happy to you, I mean, for you to be a part of our pujo. You know, it's absolute joy. You would love everything about the pujo. It's very homely environment. You feel connected to everyone loves you like their own son or daughter, and everyone takes care of you, asks for you. They, you know, they, unless you are a part of the pujo and you don't see how it works, I would not be able to explain it to you. It's completely inexplicable. So that is why I request everyone, you know, to live stream in our pujo and from day one, and you would love everything about it. You would love to be a part of our pujo. Thank you so much.
আমরা মিলেছি আজ মায়ের ডাকে, মিলেছি আজ মায়ের